A very good morning to all of you and a very happy 80th Independence Day. Congratulations to all for the wonderful program. Respected Madam, respected management, distinguished teachers, distinguished parents and my dear students. Excellent program that you have seen right from class primary to secondary to junior secondary also. And it was really a very well coordinated program for being fitting to this Independence Day. As a scientist, I would like to share my thoughts, and I would like to involve teachers, parents and also the management to see that how best the children will grow in this institution. I am sure that this institution has done far well. I have been seeing this for the last 36 years and it has done excellently well. Right from a small school to a big school, having an accreditation now and having done such a small, with a small unit to such a large unit, I have seen this. I would like to just tell some responsibilities of management, of principal, of students and even the parents, of teachers also of course. The management, I think we need to see that the independence, what we have seen is 80 years. The 8 decades, how it has grown. Right from building a nation with the independence 80 years back to this date where we have seen a Viksit Bharat. And 2047 is the 20 years ahead. We have to see how best we can groom our children. And I think both the parents and the teachers have great responsibility in grooming the students for this 100th Independence Day. Let us all see that how best together as a scientists, as teachers, as parents, as students, we together can do it. I'm sure a lot of skill development has taken place. I have seen so much programs and also discussed with the principal. There are a lot of things that can be done. Right from protecting the environment, right from protecting the resources and also the energy needs. As we see that we will be losing our energy soon in terms of the conventional energy. We will be having just 30 years of coal reserves and natural gas also. So we will have to see how best our students are taken forward to take care of this energy transition, the energy crisis that we will be facing. And in that way, we have to protect the environment also. When we go for a transitional energy, there is also seen that a lot of environmental degradation may take place. So this is the thing that we have to inculcate in our students, that how energy is going to take place in our society and how we can build the skills in the students in way of a lot of subjects that we teach vis-a-vis protecting the environment. Environment, I would like to say that it is not only plants, it is the whole environment that we have. जैसे आज बोल रहे थे ये भारत देश हमारा, ये धरती है वीर जवानों की, मस्तानों की, and it is also a धरती of lots of hills, lots of minerals, lots of rivers coming, glaciers and all those. These needs to be protected. अगर हमको आज इसको प्रोटेक्ट करना है तो ये जो बच्चे 20 साल में जो नौजवान होंगे, इनकी जिम्मेदारी है, जो टीचर्स आज निभा रहे हैं, हम लोग मैनेजमेंट और आपके साथ जो भी और इन्वॉल्व है, ये बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से निभा रहे हैं. मैं यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि when we teach mathematics in the school, don't take mathematics as a single subject. It has to be connected with biology, it has to be connected with physics, it has to be connected with English, it has to be connected with history. लाइक हिस्ट्री की बात कर रही हूँ मैं. आज 80 साल का जो हम ग्राफ बताते हैं, हाउ वी हैव प्रोग्रेस्ड इन आवर कंट्री. पहले वो एक स्ट्रेट लाइन था, फिर छोटा सा स्लोप हुआ, फिर बहुत बड़ा सा स्लोप मिला. क्यों मिला? ये चेंज हमको मैथमेटिक्स बताता है. ये हिस्ट्री भी आप अगर देखोगे हम कैसे इवॉल्व हुए, वी गेट ऑल दिस थिंग्स फ्रॉम मैथमेटिक्स. सो डोंट टेक मैथमेटिक्स एज इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन और ए क्वाड्रेटिक. एवरीथिंग हैज़ गॉट सम और द अदर इम्पॉर्टेंस. आज ये वेदर एकदम से बारिश आने लगा है. इफ़ वी हैव अ गुड प्रेडिक्शन, वी कैन से दैट व्हेन वी विल हैव रेन्स, व्हेन वी विल हैव गुड हॉट समर. सो ये सब चीज़ें बच्चों को मैथमेटिक्स पे भी इम्प्रूवमेंट, एक प्रोत्साहन देके अगर हमारी टीचर्स भी इस तरीके से पढ़ाएंगे तो आई थिंक वी विल हैव अ गुड what you say, good citizen in the 2047, that is the 100th year of independence. Thank you and wish you all a very, very happy Independence Day. Thank you.